Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can sign in documents using Adobe Sign. And this is going to be actually very similar to what we did when we learned how to use Adobe Acrobat, but this is just the online version, okay? So the first step is you need to go to this page here, acrobat.adobe.com/link/home. And you need to sign into your Adobe account, which you should have already, or you can also start a free trial, okay? Now, after you're ready, this is gonna direct you to this page here, and you can just click on select files. So let's do that. And now you wanna upload your PDF, which in my case is just gonna be like a sample PDF. And after a couple seconds, you should have this here. Let's close our AI assistant. And now you just wanna go to this menu, and you wanna click on e-sign in here, okay? Let's click on e-sign. Now, after you're ready, you should add your signature, okay? But in my case, because I already have one, I'm just gonna click here and I'm gonna put it anywhere that I want inside of my document, okay? Which in this case is gonna be here, okay? And if you drag this little handle here, you can increase the size or you can decrease the size, okay? As you can see here. You can also delete it by just pressing on delete or by pressing into this button, okay? And that's pretty much how you do it. And then you can download the file by going into here and then here. Okay? That's it. Thank you very much.